Hi, we are doing a garage tech review today. Actually more of a tech hack or a bike hack or a dual sport hack, whatever. Time to time, you know, we're going on rides and then the night before we go to check our signals and the blinkers may not be working all of a sudden. And you're like, wow, they just worked last week when I went on the ride with Dave. Well, that happens. And I'm not the guy to sit up all night, but I know there's a lot of guys, and my buddy Gabe would do that, would stay up till 4 a.m. until the buddy's out here honking the horn trying to find that short somewhere. Well, in this video, I'm gonna show you a real quick, funny, easy way to get your blinkers going again, and maybe have something for the pet as well. And here are the lights, and I'll put a link in the description below. But basically they're pet collar lights, come in a variety of different colors. And we are going to use, you got to get 2 boxes of these. I'm going to use orange for the turn signal. Okay, and then you're going to need about 4 washers of the same size as the screw. Something to match the screw and something to match the actual hole there. Kind of match it. I know this may be silly to some of you, but we've all been in these situations. And technology is getting better. These lights actually will last a couple hours. Things there. Then put the screw back in there. And then there you go. You know, you got 1, 2, or if you want a running light, just let it run. And it'll save you hours of playing around with the battery, charging it. What are your tips and tricks for getting your dual sport lighting kit to work again? I'd like to know in the comments. And maybe there's another product that's a little simpler solution or cheaper. But again, let me know your comments, like this video, and subscribe.